Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on screen lock on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 device and now you want to enable screen lock so that each time your Samsung phone screen is locked, you'll be prompted to either use your PIN pattern or password or fingerprint, then there's a video for you. So for the end of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings application on your Samsung Galaxy A54. Scroll down. Locate and click on lock screen and AOD. Under lock screen and AOD, locate and click on screen lock type. Then here you have PIN, password pattern swipe, and then under biometrics you have Face ID and then fingerprint. Now to set your lock screen, just go ahead and select your choice here, and here I'm going to use PIN. Then select your PIN. You can have at least 6 digits is recommended. So we can also have 4. So in this case, I choose to go with 4. Then confirm it again and click on OK. Now, once this is confirmed, then should say the port that says lock screen notification. So if you want to show content on lock screen, just click on show content. And if you want to hide content, click on hide and click on done. Now, when next your Samsung phone is locked, you'll be prompted to unlock your Samsung phone with your PIN, pattern or password depending on your choice. And then that is it. So just go ahead and click on OK. So that's exactly how to turn on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.